In this video, you will learn about the substitute formula in Excel. So please watch the video carefully till the end and please subscribe our channels for more useful videos. So let's start with the substitute formula in Excel. For example, I have 4 examples here. So in substitute formula, you can substitute characters, values, text, numbers, anything. So let's understand by simple example, then we'll go to next examples. The first examples equal to substitute, then press tab, select your cell. So first your text, then your old text. For example, here I have 5 kg 2 times. I want to replace 1 5 kg or substitute 1 5 kg with nothing. In this case, I can type with double quote 5 kg, comma, new text, nothing, and close the bracket. So now I'll get only sugar. So now in the next examples, for example, I have here oil 5 kg. Here instead of kg, I want liter. So in this case, equal to substitute, select your text, comma, your old text will be your kg and replace with, comma, replace with new text with double quote LTR, close the bracket, enter. So now it will be 5 liter. Now in the next examples, before jumping to the next examples, I'll tell you, in this 5 kg of sugar, suppose you want to keep the first one or keep the second one, you can do that. For example, I want to replace or I want to remove only the first one. In this case, if you give your instances number as 1, then you will replace the first, but the second one will be there. If you don't do anything, then you will have nothing. So now let's replace with the numbers also. In this case, let's say the first 0 and to remove. In this case, equal to substitute, select your value, comma, old text will be your 0, new text, nothing, comma, or let's say close the bracket. So now all your zeros will be removed. I will have only 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For example, I want to remove the first 0, then you can select 1. So I have first 0 will be removed. In this case, suppose you have 2 zeros and you need to remove the first 2 zeros, then you can do that by simply typing 2 here. So now I have 2 zeros, or the second zeros will be removed. So I have first 0, last 0, but the second 0 is removed. So this is how it works, and also you can remove the space by using the substitute formula in Excel. So for example, equal to substitute, select your text, comma, your old text will be space, comma, double quote, no space. So first you will have space in the double quote, then you don't have space in the double quote, and then close the bracket. So now you can remove the space as well. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos, and please let us know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.